This is what my family love looks like. I'm in the outhouse, the campground. My cats usually hang around outside for me to wait for me to come out. I don't hear them right now. None of them say nothing back. And I was talking to Jim Bob. I don't hear nothing. And he's like, just quiet silence. But I see him up there in the window. He said, you know what? Bet she's waiting for me up there. As soon as I come out the door, he's gonna jump on me, meow at me, surprise me. He's waiting up. He's hiding on me up there. So when I come out the door there, he'll be right behind me. Ain't it something? This is what love looks like. At least my family. Hi, Merv. Where's Jim Bob's? Huh? Where's Jim Bobbers? I don't hear him. Here he is. Hi, Jim Bobber. How do you get up there, buddy? Huh? How do you get up there? Oh, my goodness, you guys. You get scabs from fighting. Oh. You guys are something else, you know that? That's a long jump down. I wonder how the hell you get up there. I don't know. I see them jump onto that one time, but even that to there, it's like, oh my god. Were you waiting for me? You gonna surprise me when I come out? Because you didn't sing nothing when I was in there. You when I come out, I'm like, where's Jim Bobbers? He didn't go meow or nothing. He's always meowing. Hi. Where'd Marv go? There he is. He sit here and wait for me. Must have been in there at least 10 minutes maybe again. Oh. You want help, buddy, coming now? Some help? Let me help you down? Huh? Let me help you down? I'll turn this off and I'll help you down. And I help Jim Bobbers down. Oh, Papa's thirsty. He's got his drink at home. There's so many mosquitoes. I didn't get any mosquito dope on or nothing either. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Should we go this way? Yeah, we need to go for a walk. We can do without these things though. Oh my god, they're all over. Oh, Jim Bob's still sitting there. Little buddy. Oh. What, these dogs train like this?
I suppose some people's dogs are, but loyal.